All right, now, level 2.2. All right, so if you do this quickly, you might see something special. How do you factor this? Two numbers that multiply to 9 and two numbers that add up to 6. It's got to be 3 and 3. And therefore, now we don't write this down so clumsy. We'll write in a cleaner way, and we write it as x plus 3 squared. All right. And then number 20 on the right, you have x plus 5 and x plus 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. So therefore, you have x plus 5 squared. Okay. All right. So then you have the next one. You realize that you have x plus 7 and x plus 7 because 7 times 7 is 49. 7 plus 7 is 14. So you have x plus 7 squared. Now, let me go ahead and do the remaining. X plus 1, x plus 1. Therefore, you have x plus 1 squared. Ooh, you see a negative right here. What's happening here for number 23? They're both negative. So x minus 4 times x minus 4, that gives you x minus 4 squared. Now there's something going on right here. Not sure if you realize it. So we do have something to make things a little bit much easier to retain. So I want you to write this down. So what you see here is something we call it's a very common form. So we say it's a plus b squared. What is it equal to? Well, a plus b squared is, if you do the FOIL, by the way, that's what's happening. A plus b parentheses square is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Look at all the numbers right here. Okay. How is it 6? Well, because this is like your a, this is like a b. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A is your x, 3 is your b. So you can look at it through this form, and that makes a lot of things a lot faster. Okay. Now, speaking of which, I also want to highlight one fact, and I hope that sooner or later nobody ever would make this mistake. Please don't. I know some of you might be tempted to say this, but no. Why not? Because what's the meaning of a plus b squared? It means a plus b times a plus b, which means that you have to do FOIL in order to get the final outcome. And we do not distribute the square just like this into the parentheses. Okay? So that's some sort of factoring that you should have known back in Algebra 1, but we take time to review it, which is easy, not hard. All right, so tonight, please go ahead and finish your homework down below. Make sure you practice it. And as I said down below, how do you know if you're good? Factor each one within 10 seconds. Then you are good. Okay?